Chief Executive Officer.
Hi, I'm Sophia, the Sales Manager. Hi, I'm Mark, the Purchase Manager. Hi, I'm Paul, the Secretary. Hi, we visited Wood Corner, a new vendor that supplies office furniture. Here's a photo of their large desk that we like.
What's the cost?
They cost $140 each, but they are discounted to $100 if we order a minimum of 10 desks. We can sell them at $220.
Sounds good. I'll create the product in our catalog. 5. Large desk. Delivered quantities and invoicing policy. Sales price is $12,540 and the cost is $7,980. And select the category into goods. Click purchase and add the line. And select or type Wood Corner. And type the address 1164 Cambridge Drive. Type the first name, Jana, and last name, Ariel. And now select the photo and logo and save. And now we add a line again and select Wood Corner and select the quantity in 10 or in 1. And select the quantity again in 10 and with the price of 5,700. And insert the table. Sophia, I plan to purchase large desks. What are your monthly sales estimates?
Between 9 and 12.
Okay, I purchased 10 desks to start with. And now go to purchase, click new, and click Wood Corner. And then set the expected arrival and add a product. Select large desk and change the quantity into 10 and send RFQ. Set the email and here's the email or request for quotation and send it. Now confirm the order and purchase order. Here's the purchase order and then send PO. Type Wood Corner and here is the purchase order. Send.
Hello, I'm the driver from the Wood Corner. I'll be at your warehouse in 5 minutes. Can you open a loading dock?
Okay, go to dock 3. I'll validate the receipt. Inventory. Click the receipt. And then validate.
Hi, we've received a bill from the vendor. I put it on your desk. Can you create check and validate it? No need to pay it right now. The due date is in 2 months.
Click to purchase. And click the other information and select end of following month. Upload the bill and select it. Now, set the bill date and set the payment terms into end of following month and confirm. Click pay.
Hi, Brandon from Azure Interior speaking. I've seen beautiful wooden desks in your catalog. Can you send the code for 3 desks to brandon@game.odoo.com?
You'll get it by email right now. Type random. Type the email into set the email.
I'm in a meeting this morning. Can you process and validate the delivery orders that are ready to be shipped today? Make sure that the one from Azure Interior is shipped.
Okay, I'll check this right away. Click inventory. Validate. And click the quotations. Create invoice and create it as a draft and confirm. Click preview and here's the logo. And add the wood corner and then send it. Click print and here's click accounting, click unpaid and then click Brandon and click pay. Create payment, click reporting and here's the profit and loss. Go to apps, install point of sale and confirm. Click point of sale. Click configuration and select point of sale list and select settings. Go to accounting and check the QR codes on the customer payments and save. Roger, I'd like to sell products in the showroom. Can you give me a list of the accessories we can easily sell on site?
Sure, no problem. Here's the document with all products, accessories information. www.odoo.com/r/pos-products.
Great! I'll import this file directly in the system. Click products and select products and import. Import a file. Upload data file and select POS products. Now, click import.
I love these LED lamps. I'll buy 3 right away.
Good! With today's special offer, when buying 2 identical items, you get a 20% discount on the 2.
Great, I'll pay in cash. Here is $600.
Click Open register at my office, Inc. Open register. Select LEDLA. Select 20% and then validate. Here's the receipt of payment success.
I've got a question for you. Can you come over, please?
We're closing the shop. I'll close my POS session and be there in a minute.
Click close register and proceed anyway.
How do you plan to control the cash from your register?
There's a functionality in Odoo POS. I'll configure the option, but then I'll need some cash to set the opening balance. When I open a new session, do you have some?
Sure, I can give you $550.
Open register and select the coins and notes. And confirm.
Hi, I'll take this whiteboard. Is it possible to get an invoice, please?
Sure. Can I have your name, address, and phone number, please?
Yes, my name is Lorraine Douglas. My address is 3202 Hannah Street, Asheville, NC 28801. My phone number is 443-648-9155. I'll pay in cash. Here is $200.
Open register. Continue selling. Click customer and then click create and type Lorraine Douglas. And type the address. City. Country. And zip. Now, type the phone number. And type the email. Select whiteboard. Click whiteboard. And validate it. Check the invoice first and then validate it.
Hi, I came yesterday and bought 3 LED lamps. I don't need this one. Can I return it?
Sure, no problem.
Continue selling again. Click payment and validate it.
Dave, don't forget to set the closing balance. You need to add all the coins and bills you have in the register drawer.
Yes, I will.
Click continue selling and then close register. Select coins and notes. Close register. Click close register and proceed anyway.
Hey, can you tell me which products are the best sellers?
I'll check on the orders report link.
Click reporting and select orders. Here's the spreadsheet for the product quantity. Click product. The product quantity of whiteboard is 33.33% and the product.
Oh.
I'm launching our new website. Any idea what we should put on our homepage?
I like websites with a cover on the top. Customize with an office image as background. I would put some key numbers like 580 customers, 35 employees, 120 design products, 8 shops. Then we can add 3 columns. You customize, we design, we manufacture. Hi, we just finished the plans to manufacture the new table. Can you review them?
Looks good. I'll create the 4 products in the system, as well as the bill of materials, according to your plan.
Go to manufacturing, click products, select products, and click new, and then type table, and then click ordered quantities and invoicing policy, and then select the sales price into 330 pesos and the cost is 115 pesos, and click inventory, and then select manufacturer and routes, and then click general information and then ordered quantities, click products, and then type the product, the table, then add a line, type table top, then add a line again, and then type table leg, and then add a line again, and then add table, add bolt, and then change the quantity into 4 and 4 in the table leg and bolt. Save manually.
Hi, can you send me a quotation for 100 tabletops, 400 table legs, and 400 bolts? Sounds good. I'll send you the purchase order by email.
Go to purchase and then click new, and then type only Woods Inc. And then add the product, type table top, change the quantity into 100, and then the unit price is 40, and then type again the table leg, and then change the quantity into 400, and then the unit price is 12, and then type bolt, and then change the quantity into 400, and then unit price is 0.
Hello, we just received the products from Only Woods Incorporation. There are 400 table legs and 400 bolts, but they only delivered 80 tabletops. Should I validate the receipt?
Yes, confirm the reception with a back order for the 20 remaining products. They'll deliver the remaining products later.
50. Then confirm, and then send PO, set email, and then send. Go to inventory, click want to receive, and then validate.
Ernest, we got all the materials we need to start producing desks. Can you manufacture 3 tables for the showroom?
I'm on it.
Go to manufacturing, click operation, click products, and select bill of materials, add a line, and then type assembly, and then type work in the work center is assembly station, and then save and new, type in the operation painting, and then in the work center painting room, save, and close.
I plan to organize the manufacturing line by creating 2 work centers, assembly station and painting room. Can we put a tablet with instructions on each station?
Sounds like a good idea. I'll create the routing table production with 2 operations, assembly and painting from the bill of materials.
I created this document to help our workers. odoo.com/r/worksheet. Can you upload this worksheet on the assembly operation?
Our routing is set up. We can create a manufacturing order for the table and plan the work orders. When planned, operations become available on the table of each workstation.
I'll test the work center control panel at the same time.
Now go to manufacturing, click operation and select manufacturing order, and then type table, and then confirm. Click operation and then select work orders, click assembly station, click mark as done, click operation and then select work orders.
Hi, we've got 5 customers complaining about a defect in their table. Looks like the tabletop separates from the legs after a few months.
It's probably related to the bolts. I will create a quality control point on the assembly operation to measure the torque. We will ensure that the measure stays between 11 and 15 Nm.
Go to quality, then quality control and select control points and then type torque setting. And then type table. And then type my of manufacturing. And then select manufacturing. And then select click. And then type 00 on the sequence. And then set the type into measure. And then the control perp and to product. And then the norm type 13. And then select NM or type. And the tolerance is 11 to 15. And then select assembly and then save manually.
Charlene, I added a control point on the assembly operation.
That's good. We have to create a new table. We will have the opportunity to test it through the work standard control panel.
FYI, the torque setting measure should be between 11 and 15 Nm.
Hi, to close my fiscal year, I need to know the cost of the table we manufacture, including the time and materials.
Okay, I'll check the cost structure on the bill of materials for theoretical cost if you want to update it.
Go to manufacturing. Click products and select bill of materials. And then here's the BOM overview. Then click table and then go to manufacturing and then click operations and select manufacturing orders, click new and then type table and save manually. Now click operations and select work orders and mark as done. Click the work orders again.
I'm launching our new website. Any idea what we should put on our homepage?
I like websites with a cover on the top, customized with an office image as background. I would put some key numbers like 580 customers, 35 employees, 120 design products, 8 shops. Then we can add 3 columns. You customize, we design, we manufacture.
In our homepage, we can edit this and put a logo. Click your logo and upload an image and then add. Now, in the homepage, click the intro or drag the intro and then select and then upload an image and then add and then type a heading and then going down, drag the social and then select content and then edit it and then type the given information. And then you can edit it Now going down, go to content and then select again. And then here's your customer with design and be manufactured. Also edit the email and the company name. And here's our website.
Love the new website. Can we start selling our new office chairs online?
Okay, I'll create the product page on the website with a $120 price tag.
This is our website. And then save it. And then go to products, install. Now click the product and type the product name into office chair. Now set the sales price into 120 pesos and then add the office chair picture and then save it. Now here's the office chair price and the picture. And
Hi. There have been no sales for our new office chairs online. Can we do some search engine optimization?
I'll target keywords people are looking for on Google with the promote tool.
then save it. Now click e-commerce. Click site and then open optimize SEO and then type the title office chair on sale. My office Inc. And then type the description, get the best office chairs or sale, buy online now. And then going down, type the keyword office chair and then add it. Now we will click the office chair near me and then we will click the office chair for sale and then save it.
The chairs are selling like crazy. Good job. But people are asking for different colors and sizes.
Okay, I will activate the variants picture and configure it on the chair product. What are the options?
They come in 4 colors: gray, black, white, purple, and 3 sizes: small, medium, large. We can even put a custom embroidery with their name on it.
Duration and select products and click office chair and then go to attributes and variants, add a line and type size and with the values of small, medium, and large. Now add a line again and type color and then with the value of gray, white, black, violet, sorry, violet, purple, and then save it manually. Now click the size and then check the free text. Same as the color. Office chair.
Our e-commerce is ready. Can you test buying a product online?
Sure.
Now in our homepage, click shop and select office chair. So here's the sizes and the color and then add to cart, view the cart, and then check out and fill out the address, phone number, company name, city, country, and zip code. and then click confirm. And then click confirm again.
Last month, we did 350,000 in revenue through the website with an average cart size of $250. Can we upsell customers by proposing options?
Yes, let's create a new product warranty that we will set as an option of the chair. This warranty has 2 variants, 3 or 5 years.
Type warranty and select the product type into service. Go to attributes and variants, type duration, and then set the values into 3 years and 5 years and save manually.
I love your new warranty service. It would be great to write news article about it.
Okay, I'll set up a blog on our website and write the first post.
And then go to new and click blog, and then type this and select blog into My Office Inc. And then set the title into business furniture, and here's the furniture business, and we will start writing here. And then that's it.
Ever from Wood Corner. Hi!
It's probably
Wala po, ate.
Hi! Google asked us to design their new office in New York.
Send an email to design at your domain name at the
I think it's a mistake.